The National Fish Hatchery in Neosho, Missouri is the oldest operating federal fish hatchery in the United States. One of the most interesting things about this hatchery is that it does endangered species work and is home to the endangered Ozark Cavefish. Come on in and let's check out the visitor center.
My friend, let's go exploring.
This National Fish Hatchery raises rainbow trout. They also raise pallid sturgeon and Topeka shiners for restoration efforts. They raise log perch and freshwater drum to serve as hosts for freshwater mussel restoration efforts. This is a very nice visitor information center, complete with lots of information and even a gift store. Here, as we enter the first exhibit about Missouri's underground cave systems, we're going to learn that cavefish are small, blind fish that appear pink and white due to a lack of pigment, revealing their inner organs. They were listed as threatened in 1984 under the Endangered Species Act. Next are several aquariums where we can see all of the types of fish up close. Are those sturgeon? Paddlefish? Sturgeon? Swimming away from us. There he goes. Yeah, smallmouth there. Little trout right over here. Love him. Whoa, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Oh. 235,000 rainbow trout are produced at this hatchery annually. It takes 10 months to raise a 10-inch trout. 225,000 of the trout raised here are shipped to Lake Taneycomo. 4,000 go to Capps Creek and 5,000 go to Fort Riley. That's pretty generous, 2 cups per person. We don't need 4 cups of fish food. Nice little patio. Well, they know right where to be, don't they? This hatchery sits on 17.5 acres, and the water is from a spring that produces 1,600 gallons per minute of 60-degree fresh spring water. There are all our friends over here. Here's some more. Here you go, guys. Crazy.
It's a good spot for Zion to feed them.
Yeah, this is a great spot. Great spot for kids. It's a lot safer than just the raceways at some of the state parks. We might feed them at the hatcheries. Some nice ones in there.
Oh, yeah.
No matter how young or old you are, or how many times you fed the trout before, it's always a fun thing to do. Thank you for spending your time with us on Let's Go Exploring. Until next time, keep exploring your world.